Hello, people. It's Coach Micheal Rice, and I want to wish you, your family, and your loved ones a happy holiday season as we embark on a new year, the year 2020. I want to take you behind the scenes to a presentation that I actually did at the 2019 Envision Conference held by Miss Grace Ratcliffe. But what I did, I created a webinar because I felt the content was perfect for a time of this magnitude. We're talking about the year 2020, going into a new year, a new decade. So I wanted to give you some valuable tips, tools, and techniques that's going to help you win in the new year. Let's go, man. I'm hyped. So enjoy this information, take some notes, and share this with people that you feel have the same drive to win in the new year. And enjoy the session.
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's webinar, Creating Your Future. My name is Micheal Rice from CoachMichealRice.com, helping individuals live a happier, healthier, and prosperous lifestyle. As many of you know, I am a huge advocate for personal achievement and human potential, and I am excited, super excited, to be hosting this session today. Before I get started, I have a few housekeeping items to cover about this presentation and the Creating Your Future webinar platform. First, today's webinar will be available on demand and is accessible through the same link you are using now. Also, I've added attachments which are available also through the attachments tab at the bottom of the screen. There you can find today's webinar notes and other related content, including blog posts and upcoming webinars. Next, I would love to hear from you after today's presentation. If you have any questions for me, please feel free to send it through email at coachmichealrice@gmail.com or use the contact form on my website. And lastly, I'd like to encourage you to share today's webinar with your social networks. You can use the icons located at the top right of your player to post this webinar directly on Twitter and Facebook, and follow me on Instagram at Coach Micheal Rice. Creating your future. Don't look back. And before I kick off this presentation, I had the opportunity to present this presentation at the 2019 Envision Conference led by Miss Grace Ratcliffe. So I would like to give a huge shout out to her and the Envision team. It was an awesome event. Creating your future. The future belongs to those who create it. And the late great Jim Rome says, we go in the direction we face. We face the direction we design. So today, starting today, as you listen and watch this presentation, you are creating and designing your future starting today. In more than 330 studies conducted over the years, one quality that great leaders have in common is the quality of leadership. Leaders have vision. Non-leaders don't. What is a leader? And I love the picture of this baby. What is a leader thinking about most of the time? The future. All right, stay with me. Future ahead. Leaders think about what they want and what they need to do to achieve it. The good news is, starting today, when you think about your future, you begin to think like a leader. And you will soon get the same results that leaders get. Say, I'm a leader. Come on, I can't hear you, but say, I am a leader. Dr. Edward Banfield of Harvard University concluded after 50 years of research that the LTP, or long time perspective, was the most important determinant of financial and personal success in life. The long time perspective, or LTP, is defined as the ability to think several years into the future while making decisions in the present. This is one of the most important discoveries ever made. And when you talk about the LTP, or long time perspective, Brian Tracy talks about back to the future thinking, or future orientation, being able to look several years into the future. Matter of fact, looking a few months into going into 2020, and being able to come back in the present moment and make decisions for your future. So one of the most important discoveries. In fact, that if you would have saved just $100 per month from the age of 20 and invested that money in an average mutual fund that grew at 10%, you would be worth more than $1 million by the time you have retired, or would have retired. Check this out. Anyone who really wanted to could save $100 per month if he or she had a long enough time perspective. Which means that every single person starting work today could become a millionaire over time if they began early enough, saving consistently, and holding till their long-term vision of financial independence. Say I am a millionaire. Come on, again, you got to speak this thing out. Say I am a millionaire. So you can save $100 per month if you're looking at the long time perspective. In personal strategic planning, you should begin with a long-term view of your life. As well, you should begin practicing idealization in everything you do. In the process of idealization, you create a 5-year fantasy for yourself and begin thinking about what your life would look like 5 years from now if it was perfect in every respect. But here's the kicker. Here's the obstacle. The biggest obstacle to setting goals is self-limiting beliefs. These are areas where you believe yourself to be limited. You may see yourself as being inadequate or inferior in areas such as intelligence, ability, talent, creativity, personality, or something else. And as a result, you underestimate yourself and sell yourself short with these limiting beliefs. So to that point, you either set low goals or you'll set no goals that go far below what you are truly capable of accomplishing. But say you have no limits. Say there are no limits. Say I have no limits. With idealization, we talked about that, and future orientation, or the LTP, you can cancel or neutralize this pose of self-limiting beliefs. Imagine for the moment. Imagine that you have no limitations. You have all the time, you have all the talents, you have all the abilities that you could ever acquire to achieve any goal you could set for yourself, no matter where you are in your life. You have all the friends, you have all the contacts, you have all the relationships that you will ever need to open every door and achieve anything you want. Say I'm walking through that open door. Somebody say act now. Take action. The primary difference between high achievers and low achievers in any area is action orientation. Men and women who accomplish tremendous things in life are action oriented. They are always moving all the time. And I'm not just talking about just moving and doing nothing or busy work. I'm talking about they are always busy and take action. If they have an idea, they take action immediately. All right. So it's time for you to become action oriented. On the other hand, you have individuals who like to procrastinate. Maybe you feel like you have ideas, or maybe you feel like I may be a low achiever. I'm not sure. But as a person who procrastinate or low achievers, they have good intentions, but often make excuses and never take action. So to be a high achiever, start taking action today. Be action oriented. So right now, examine yourself in terms of personal inventory of skill, knowledge, talents, and education and ability. And think about if you were to develop that to the highest level possible. Understanding there is no limits to become or to develop what you want to become. And answer these questions. What additional knowledge and skill will you acquire 5 years from now? In what areas would you be recognized as absolutely excellent in what you do? I want you to think about that. And lastly, what would you be doing every day in order to develop the knowledge and skill or skills you needed to be the top performer in your field sometime in the future? Once you answer those questions, the only question you have to ask yourself is now, how? How do you obtain the skills and expertise you will require to lead your field in the years ahead? So right now, I want you may have to pause this, but decide how you want to live day in and day out, or your ideal lifestyle. Design your perfect calendar. And you may have to pause this once I tell you to do this. Design your perfect calendar starting today from January 1st to December 31st of 2020. We're talking about back to the future thinking. And answer these questions. What would you like to do on the weekends and on vacation if you could do anything at all? How much time would you like to take off every week, each month, each year? Where would you like to go if you could go anywhere and cost was no object? How would you organize your life if you had no limitations and complete control over your time? These are some important questions to ask yourself. Proverbs 29:18. It reads, "Where there is no vision, the people perish." Which means that if you lack an exciting vision for your future, you will perish inside in terms of lacking motivation and enthusiasm. But here's the reverse to that. If you have an exciting vision, you will be continuously motivated every day to take the necessary actions to make your ideal vision a reality. What is happiness? Happiness is the progressive realization of a worthy ideal. So when you have a clear vision, you will feel happier about yourself and your world. You will be more positive and optimistic. You will be more cheerful, and you will be motivated to get up every morning, because every step you're taking will be moving you towards the direction of something important to you. So tell yourself, man, I'm getting happy about this. Tell yourself, I have an exciting future. So today, resolve to think about your ideal future. And I'm closing. Most of the time, remember that the very best days in your life is ahead of you. The happiest moments you will ever experience is still to come. The highest income you will ever earn is going to materialize in the months and years ahead. The future is going to be better than anything that may have happened to you in your past. There are no limits. The clearer you can be about your long-term future, the more rapidly you will attract people and circumstances in your life
to help
make your future a reality. The greater the clarity you have about who you are and what you want, the more you will achieve and the faster you will achieve it in every area of your life. So here are 3 things you can do immediately to put these ideas into action. Imagine there is a solution to every problem, a way to overcome every limitation, and no limits on your achieving every goal you set for yourself. Practice back to the future thinking. Imagine your financial life were perfect in every way. Number 1, how much would you be earning? Number 2, how much would you be worth? And number 3, what steps could you starting today to make these financial goals a reality? Man, that was good. I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed that presentation. Creating your own future. Understand the time is now. And repeat after me, or write this down. You can do anything you put your mind to. I'm going to say it again. You can do anything you put your mind to. You are extraordinary, because I want to revise your thinking. And accept the fact that you are a remarkable person, poised with incredible abilities and potentials, and capable of achieving anything in life. Man, this is so good. Because understand, the goals of your future, where God is taking you, will have a different crowd at the finish line than those walking with you today. So I'm super excited. Thank you again for listening to this program. Please follow me on social media, on my Facebook. That's Coach Micheal Rice. You can follow me on Instagram at Coach Micheal Rice. And please go to my website, CoachMichealRice.com, and take advantage of the free resources. I love you guys. And remember, today you win because today you live. Right.
Hey people, thanks for watching this episode. If you liked it, like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And remember, today you win because today you live.